let's deep dive into the final component of the SCARF model, F for fairness. Do you happen to know Maslow's hierarchy of needs? Well, he did omit one very important component, fairness. To show you just how important fairness is, I'm going to walk you through an experiment called the Ultimatum Game. In the experiment, you are working together with your experiment partner. Imagine that both of you get $20 to split between the two of you. Here's the catch. Your experiment partner is going to decide how this money will be divided between the two of you, but you only will get the money if you agree to the conditions. So here's the proposal from your experiment partner. They take $15 and you get $5. Would you accept? It's quite likely that your anterior insula is now activated. This is the region of your brain associated with disgust. I can imagine that it's signaling to you, this is unfair. Interestingly, most people walked away from free money. Why? They wouldn't accept the offer just because it was unfair. How does it relate to the work context? Imagine you have two employees. One has been with the business for 5 years, the other one 2 years. But the one who's been with the business for only 2 years is much more productive. So when time for promotions come, who are you going to promote? Yes, the more productive employee. But what's the other one going to think? Yes, it's unfair. Now, this can become detrimental for the relationship and also for the motivation of the employee that you decide not to promote. In case you're interested, I do have a workshop on how to conduct both of these processes, respecting fairness. This was fairness, the final component of the SCARF model. I hope you now feel confident recognizing these essential needs and you know exactly what to do to use them to boost your employees' motivation.